Performance Max campaigns, they're a new ad campaign within Google Ads. And what it is it's a goal-based campaign that allows performance advertisers to access all of Google Ads channels or ad inventory. So think YouTube, think display, think search. It's one campaign that kind of hits them all. And to do this, what you do is you create the campaign. Oh, and I should know it's goal-based. So you need to either have sales or something like lead form submissions as a goal or an objective in order to run one of these. And when you set it up, you set up one ad, and you can do multiple ads, but within each ad, you're going to have headlines, you're going to have descriptions, you're going to have images, you're going to have videos, you can even have your Google shopping feed in there. And it's going to go out and put your ads on all these different channels and find out where it performs the best, and then market to your customers where they are, when they are, and hit them maybe in the display network, maybe in search. And should you switch to them? Well, for one, they complement your search campaigns that you're using keywords already for. So you don't need to replace your search campaigns. And you don't necessarily need to replace all your display or your other types of campaigns, but you might want to test going into Performance Max and seeing if you get better performance. They're great to use if you want to get more reach into the other Google Ads channels. Let's say you don't do YouTube, but you want to move your display or enhance your display to go further. This is something you want to test. So it's on a case-by-case basis. If you're using shopping campaigns, Google has actually replaced their old smart shopping campaigns with the Performance Max. So in that case, you were automatically switched over, but you could still go back to standard display if you're not seeing the results. However, they claim you should get about 12% better results using the Performance Max.